Okay, today is my off day. So gusto kong try sana tong coffee ko sa Juchat. Pero close siya nung nagpunta ako. Yan. Sorry auntie. Better luck next time. So maghahanap na ako ng ibang coffee shop. Marami naman dito coffee shop sa Juchat. And may nakita ako na banh mi. Juchat Banh Mi Cafe, which is Vietnamese coffee shop. They specialize in egg coffee, which is my favorite in Vietnam. The taste is so aromatic. The coffee is just nice, and it's my favorite Vietnamese coffee. The egg coffee, hot. If you come here, you just better try this one. Sobrang sarap. And their banh mi is also the best. Come in Juchat, try it now for your next Sunday coffee's relaxing day. Bye!